Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction from 23rd of November to 29th of November 2020. My all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and nothing to do with your sun sign. You only follow my video as a ascendant sign. Keep ascendant sign in your mind, then you listen my video. Let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants this whole week from 23rd of November to 29th of November 2020. You will get a lot of opportunities. Your business will be flourish and you will earn a lot of money. Some good luck will knock you and your all pending work will click. Your savings will rise and you may buy a new vehicle. You may invest your money in real estate or vehicle, or there's a strong chances your old debts will be clear. And if you wanna interested to buy a new loan from government side, then this is the right time. So Aries Ascendants this week brings a lot of positivity. Jupiter transit in your 10th house with Saturn and create the Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, and the Jupiter aspecting is on your 2nd house, 4th house and 6th house. Those native who are unemployed, they may get a job. If your business is not going to give you profit, then this is a very productive transit for you. You will get blessed with the small profits and your desires will be fulfilled. Your workplace will be ultimate and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance and you will enjoy a lot of good quality time with your seniors and your colleagues. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains and respect for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If your business is not going well, then you feel very positive energy in this week when you blessed with a small profit. Overall, if you wanna start something new, then this is a right time. Guys, I'm just suggesting you for Aries Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positive change for you because Jupiter is enter in your 10th house, which is a house of your profession, and you will get a mouth-to-mouth publicity and your work will be promoted automatically. So enjoy this week and I'm praying for you a happy future. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants this whole week you will bring a lot of positivity. Your good fortune started smile for you. If you wanna switch off your job, then this is the right time. And if you wanna start something new, then this is the right time. Strong chances you may get together with your family, friends, or you will spend some quality time with your siblings or your friends. This is a time when your friend will give you very wonderful advice and that advice will give you a lot of positive change. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, lot of good gains, some unexpected money will knock you. 9th house, Jupiter Saturn transit, your good fortune started smile for you. You will feel very healthy health and you will enjoy a lot of comforts at your workplace. You are feeling very positive and your all desires will be fulfilled. This is a time, if you are already investing your money in stock market, you will get blessed with a small profit. Taurus Ascendants, Jupiter transit in your 9th house. This is a time after I think 2-3 years when you feel much relaxed and better because Jupiter transit in 9th house will give you lot of positive energy, lot of passion and lot of good luck for you. Jupiter transit in 9th house with 9th Lord Saturn. It's create a Adhyatmic yoga. You may start some reading some knowledgeable books, or you may spend some time with your spiritual guru, or you may find some spiritual guru. This is an ultimate time, ultimate period started for you. So Taurus, if you want to do something wonders, or if you want to start something new related to your business or job, then this is the ultimate time. You should start because you will get blessed with a lot of success. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, and you will enjoy a good time with your family and friend on the weekend. Your health will be fine and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants from 23rd of November to 29th of November. This is not very productive week for you. You may face some financial hurdles. Your finance is not very promising. You're feeling very low and you're feeling very upset. Your thinking is very negative. And whatever you are doing, you are not success on that field because Saturn Jupiter transit in your 8th house, which is not very promising for you. You may suffer from the secret part. Your body may suffer from any disease which is linked with your secret part. You can say backbone related trouble, stomach related trouble, lower part of your stomach will be affected because Jupiter Saturn is in 8th house. 2 major planet transit in your 8th house. It's not a very powerful transit for you, but you will get blessed with a small profit, but this is not a right time. So you will be struggling a lot for your job, for your business. This is a time when your hard work is not convert in success. You will try to do your best, but you are failed to achieve some milestones. Gemini, you will get frustrated or depressed, so don't be in depressed. When Jupiter when Jupiter transit nearest degree for your ascendant, you will feel much relaxed and better. But this week you will feel very negative energy and feeling very low and down. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 23rd of November to 29th of November. This whole week brings a lot of positivity and good change for you. If you are unmarried, you may get married. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If your business is not running properly, then you may get good profit from your business. Your siblings will support you and you will be blessed with a small earning. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will be better and you will enjoy a lot of positivity. This whole week brings a lot of good gains for you. If you are employee, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unmarried, you may find a new companion. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, good finance, and a lot of source of earning will develop. And you may start some new business with your near and dear. Overall, Cancer, enjoy this week. This is a very positive week for you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants from 23rd of November to 29th of November. This whole week you will face some struggle and hurdles. This week not as per your expectations. So don't start anything new. But your pending work will click and you will feel some positive energy. But overall, this whole week brings some challenge in your life related to your professional life as well as your personal life. You need to be humble and talk politely with your spouse, and you should take some blessings from your father's side and your mother's side. And don't invest your money in this week from 23rd of November to 29th of November. This is not a very productive week for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. This is an ultimate week for you. You are sky high. Your thinking will be totally changed and you are feeling very positive energy. You spend some quality time with your family and friend. Virgo ascendants, some unexpected gains will make you happy. And if you already invested your money in stock market, you will be blessed with a smart profit. And if you are interested to invest your money in stock market, then this is a right time. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you and you will enjoy a lot of comforts, lot of benefits. This whole week, some new business opportunities will knock you. Some new, if you are employee, you may get promoted or your salary may hike. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, lot of good energy for you, lot of positive energy for you. Overall, you need to take some right decision on right path. This time when Jupiter aspecting is on your 9th house, you may go for any religious activity or you will go for some charity in this week, which will give you lot of good fortune. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, you are feeling very comfortable in this week. Venus transit in your first house, which will give you lot of good energy, good gains, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts, and some new opportunities will knock you. Your daily income will rise, your spouse will support you, your family will support you, you will enjoy a lot of benefit. If you are shopkeeper, if you are trader, if you are any type of trading company, you will get blessed with a huge amount of money. This is a time when you will be sky high and top and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine and you will enjoy some quality time with your business associates. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled and your source of funding will develop and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants from 23rd of November to 29th of November, your good fortune started smile for you. Some unexpected gains, monetary gains will make you happy. Your friends and your siblings will support you. Some short distance journeys will make you happy. Don't get upset and confused because this is a week for new start of your professional life. You may start something new which will give you lot of positive energy and good gains. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you. Your family and your spouse will support you. You will enjoy very good period with your family and friends. You may renovate your home. You may buy new vehicle. This is a very productive week for you, and your confidence level will be sky high and you will get good gains through communications. You can say you may get some gains from far away place from your birthland. Scorpio ascendants, Jupiter Saturn is in your 3rd house. Your willpower will be on top and sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Some cash flow will make you happy. If you wanna switch off your job, this is the ultimate time. Your salary will rise and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You may get something from inheritance from your parents. Blessings of your parents will make your life easy and better. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, and you will spend some quality time with your family and friends. But you need to be careful about your health. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, not very productive days for your health. But overall, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, good gains, finance will be better, and your savings will rise, and you will spend very good time with your near and dear. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you are in a far better position compared to last 1 year because Jupiter is in your first house. Relationship with your spouse will be ultimate, and you will spend some quality time with your spouse. This is a time when your source of earning will develop. Good fortune started smile for you. If you are planning for future plan, if you are planning for baby planning, then this is a right week. This is a right time because Jupiter is in your first house with Saturn. So Jupiter aspecting is on your 5th house, your 7th house and your 9th house will make your life easy and better. You may get promoted at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of comforts with your spouse, and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Your salary may rise and your designation may change, and you may get promoted at your workplace. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you and your old desires will be fulfilled. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Capricorn, this is the ultimate time for you, which has already started from 20th November 2020 to 6th April 2021. You should cash this time and spend some quality time with your loved one, because your love life will be on another height of success. If you are already facing some disturbance or dispute or litigation with your love life, then this week will create a lot of positivity. There is a strong chances for reunion with your loved one, and your marital life will be ultimate. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. You need to be careful about your health. Some over expenditures may irritate you. Your savings and your unexpected expenditures may irritate you. This is not a very well time when you may get involved in any type of government related tax. You may involve in any type of government related trouble which will irritate your peace of mind. This whole week you will see lot of up and downs in your mental thoughts. Sometimes you are very positive, sometimes you are very negative, because Jupiter Saturn is in 12th house will create some problem for you. If you wanna interested to start something new, then you must start from the far away place from your land. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, lot of good gains from your old investments. Overall, this is an average week for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, this whole week you will be sky high. If you want to start something new, this is a very productive time. Your desires will be fulfilled, and you may invest new money in your business, and your new source of earning will develop, and you will earn a lot of money from multiple sources of earning. Your elder siblings will support you. Your higher authority will support you. If you are interested to take any loan, then this is the right time. Your loan will be granted, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts during this time. This whole week brings a lot of positivity and a lot of good gains for you. This time you will enjoy some quality time with your elder siblings and friends. Overall, Jupiter Saturn is in your 11th house, will give you a lot of success, peace of mind, happiness, good gains, savings will rise, and source of earning will develop. Enjoy this week, praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.